Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you enjoy. So today we're going to Normanstown Skate Park and I'm going to kind of shred today, so hope you enjoy. Peace. So we're at Normanstown Park. It's so wet and it was not wet, but it's like damp and slippery, but I'll do my first trick of the day. Alright, self-film. Alright, should we go? First trick. First trick of the day. So guys, no one's here, so I'm gonna have to do loads of self-films. So it don't matter though, I'll try. Right, this is why it'll take longer, but hopefully you enjoy. Louie Dewey Dick. Oh fuck. This camera's so shit. Another Bluey Dick. Louie. This is Scared to Ride Apex. Oh, this is Mally. Clips on the transfer. No, I'm getting clips over that way.
Open the box. Let's go, little dick.
Little dick.
Go, little dick.
Everyone's killing it here, and we're gonna get some clips. It's raining. Oh yeah. No, I'm joking. It might rain though. Like it's cloud. Anyway, shout out to whatever Robbie's Instagram is. Robbie_Lennox798. And my YouTube. Yeah, go to look at YouTube. What's it?
RL Space Media.
All right. What's yours? Okay. Go. Follow them and subscribe to Robbie's channel, and yeah, we'll get some clips. Guys, as you'll see, it's all like snowing and shit some reason, and so yeah, it's going all slippery. I was in the middle of getting scooted and then we was going to get some clips, but we can't as it's literally annoying. Yeah, it's just all wet. Oh, God. Sad. What have you got to say?
Fuck snow.
Yeah, I can fuck off. Yep. I want the summer so bad. This is Robbie's setup. This is my setup. And this is
Skateboard setup.
Joe's setup. Joe. Yeah, I know, I did say that. Joe's. Joe's! Joe. And that's Joe's setup. And this is Robbie. Hi.
Possibly must go on the ride.
It is literally full on pissing it down. So sorry guys, couldn't even fucking barely ride today. Got a new learn, couldn't get it on
If
film.
it's dry tomorrow, we'll film it.
Yeah,
Again.
couldn't get it on film. Oh my god, it's wet. I'm trying to stop the thingy from getting wet. Oh. Hope you enjoyed this video. Couldn't really get riding in as it was wet. I'm so sorry, and I feel sorry for myself as I couldn't ride. So annoyed. Anyway, please subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, and share, please. Peace. Next video, I don't know when, but yeah, planning on doing, like, I don't know, but still.